Are you scared when you have to opportunity to speak English? And that then when this time you are so scared and shy to speak English. So how we can improve our English and how we can talk to people with a confidence, because confidence needed to us to speak English. Without confidence we feel so shy and we are scared to speak English. I know that in the beginning time, lot of men and lot of persons are there, so they are very feel shy and they scared when they have an opportunity to speak English. In the my beginning, in my classroom, I have an opportunity to introduce myself, but I am feel like a very shy. So this how we can remove this hesitation. So confidence, how we can build up our confidence, how we can use so many things so our we can build our confidence to speak English. Because nowadays English lot of things are there in English language, we can't able to speak English. So how we can, if you don't know English but if you have a confidence, so you every time you feel confidence to speak English, you don't be shy and you don't be scared. So how we can build up our confidence? And confidence is needed to speak English, because without confidence we are every time we feel shy and we are scared to speak to anyone and speak in the front of people or in the front of camera. So how we can build up our confidence? So let me explain. So friends, confidence is the thing of the R in the body. So we can, how we can use the confidence? So because confidence is a thing we can build our confidence with by practicing, because without practicing we can't able to build up our confidence. So friends, how practicing build up our confidence? By daily using any words, and again when we use the sentences, phrases and vocabularies, we are able to speak them wisely and very clearly, and we are speak fluently. So every day if you practicing more and more, your confidence is build up. So every day try to practice them, and every day try to practice with your own confidence. Like I am here to speak with a friend of lot of people. So how we can practice? So see the confidence, because confidence is needed to speak English. Because in everywhere, like you speak or you are an anchor, so you can see in the anchor how anchor feel more and more confidence. So by practicing, by using her more best, so every day try to practice more and more. So and when you again and again use the phrases and words and sentences, you speak these lines, so you are so happy and you are so fluent on these lines because of the your practicing. So use simple words. And now in the beginning, I know that how to build up, I know that in the beginning very tough to speak English, yes, but practice again and again. And when you, if you don't know English, so try to mix words and by using confidence. If you don't know English properly, but you have a confidence, you can feel more and more better, and you can speak anything. Like if you don't know English, if you speak English wrong, but if you have a confidence, so you see like more and more confident. So every day try to practicing, because practicing makes a man perfect. So thanks for watching, and if you helpful this video, so like, subscribe and share, and follow me for more English tips, because I am here to speak and growing with each other, because I also practicing. And so if I made a lot of mistakes, so please give me a suggestion and in the comment box. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe and share.